All right, I'm gonna quickly try this. There's some salmon in here, broccoli, onions, lemon juice, olive oil, dill, salt and pepper, and my seasoning, my seasoning mix that I showed in my other videos. So just a mixture of, you know, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt and pepper, cayenne, whatever seasoning you have in your cupboard or in my cupboard. I made this and it goes well with everything. I'm gonna try and do a salmon vegetable cake. Cakes, you know. I just finished boiling, maybe too soft now, but potato here, just one of them. I'm gonna mix it all together, and yeah, like a crab cake, salmon cake type of thing. The reason why I'm trying this is because this time around my salmon, I overcooked it. It's a bit on the dry side, and this is the other quarter of the piece that I bought. So instead of not eating it and tossing it out, I'm gonna mix it up and make it into a little salmon vegetable cake or patty, whatever you want to call it. All right, so I'll be back on. All right, I just mashed mashed the potato and blend everything in together. I'm using the potato to keep it together. It's been a while since I've made this, put it together. I can't remember if I added an egg. I don't feel like adding an egg. I'm gonna try it like this, using the potato to keep it together. I have, I like to use I can't speak. Okay, cut that bit out, I hope. All right, I'm gonna use Italian style breadcrumbs. I'm gonna use 1/3 of a cup to make my little patty cake, whatever you want to call it. All right, so I scooped some in and packed it down. All right, I used the fork to scoop it out. It did fall out a bit, but just put it back together. Coat it with the breadcrumbs. We're gonna pan fry this, or we can bake it as well. So either way, I'm gonna maybe bake it. We'll see. All right, I'm just gonna try 4 of them. I still have quite a maybe 2 more I can do. So get 6 out of this one, and it's not bad. Like the potato has helped to stretch out the filling, I guess, right? So that's pretty good. Get 6 of them. If I maybe even a 1/4 cup smaller one, I can get more out of them. So we'll see how it goes. I will pan fry them to really crisp it up. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for the olive oil to heat up. I'm using a little bit more than usual because we're pan frying them, right? So I want to crisp it up. All right, got the oil really hot. And it's nicely frying up here. All right, I just flipped them over. Looking good. All right, now here is the salmon vegetable cakes, I guess. I don't know what you want to call them, but little patties. And I made a homemade aioli. That's just Hellmann's mayonnaise, the olive oil brand, I guess, or type. And in here has some lemon juice, garlic, a little bit of Tabasco sauce or hot sauce, and my homemade seasoning as well, and some pepper. Did not add salt. There's some salt in my little seasoning. Might have to add more salt. I don't know. I'm gonna just go with it. I'm trying not to, you know, add too much salt to my food. All right, so let's give it a taste. Here we go. So I'm still thinking maybe I should have added an egg. But again, it's optional, really. Okay, wait, you won't be able to see me, but I will. It works. It's good. Oh my gosh. And the aioli makes a big difference too. Holy moly. It's delicious. So if you overcooked salmon or fish a little bit, put it into a little salmon patty, cake, whatever you want to call it, with some vegetables, onions, and a whole potato, and pan fry it. It is delicious. OMG. Only you guys can taste this. It's good. Take your bite. Whoop, it fell apart. So maybe a bit of egg. I don't know. But it works. Or maybe I could have added breadcrumbs into it as well. But it works without it. Take your bite. So good.